Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will discuss about private international law. Before I discuss about private international law, I will introduce myself. Okay, my name is Justisio Mahendra from Universitas Internasional Batam. What is private international law? Private international law is, according to Prof. Dr. Mr. Sudargo Gautama, international civil law is a national law that regulates civil relations which have foreign elements. That is foreign elements. So civil international law is civil law for relations. Next, history of private international law. Okay, history of private international law. Private international law start from second country, Roman Emperor period, up to the development of private international law in German. Fritz Karl von Savigny, especially in mainland Europe in the 19th century, golden era of private international law. Okay. Private international law has begun in the second century BC in the era of the Roman Empire. The law used by the judge was basically the law that applies to the Roman civis, namely ius civile, which had been adopted for international relations, then called ius gentium. Then it flourished until private international law became known in Germany, Friedrich Karl von Savigny, and began to develop significantly, especially on Europe land in the 19th century AD, and it was the golden era of private international law. Next slide. International civil law may be considered as a legal field, dynamic and always evolving to conform to the developments of needs in modern society. However, API cannot be considered as a new field of law that only grew in the 20th century because of the principles and API thinking patterns, as patterns can already be found and grown in the community association in period of the Roman Empire, 2nd century AD to 6th century AD, in line with Western civilization in mainland Europe. In ancient Roman, all problems are seen as a result of the relationship between the Romans and foreign traders was resolved by a special court judge called Praetor Foragens. Law used by the judge is essentially a law that applies to clave Roman, namely ius civile, which has been adopted for international relations then called ius gentium. Ius civile, ius gentium, also contains rules that can be categorized into ius privatum and ius publicum. Ius Gentium, which become part of Ius Privatium, evolved into international civil law. As for Ius Gentium become part of the Ius Publicium has evolved into the law international public. Okay, next slide. Some principles of private international law that grow and develop at this time and become important principles in modern private international law are first, principles of lex realicit or lex sight, which mean matters concerning immovables are subject of the laws from which immovables is located. Second, the lex domicili principles stipulates that individuals' rights and obligations must be governed by the law from which a person is permanently assigned. The problem is in Roman law, the position of a person can be attributed to 2 points of the link selection or domicile is community that person has chose as permanent residence. Third, the lex locis contractus principle stipulates that treats involving citizens from different provinces apply the law of the place of making the agreement. Okay, next slide. Growth period of personal private international law 6 until 10th country. Number 1, in the late 6th country, the Roman Empire was conquered by the barbarians of the former Roman colonies. Number 2, the former Roman territories were occupied by various ethnic groups that were generally and non-territorially distinguished. Number 3, in resolving disputes between ethnic groups, it is determined first which customary legal systems are relevant to the case, then namely chosen which laws should be enforced. Number 4, growing some private international law principles made on the basis of genealogical principles. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is the territorial base growing the 11 to until 20 country, North Europa and South Europe. Okay, this is the beginning. Next slide. Okay, grow territory statutes in Italy 13 until to 15 country. The increasing intensity of the intercity trade in Italy has led territorial principles need to be reviewed. Example: a Bologna resident who was in Florence and made a pact in Florence, because based on territorial principles, as long as he is in the city of Florence, he must submit to the legal authority in the city of Florence. So there are the problems. Okay, the problem is to what extent does a Florence ruling or judge have the power to apply in Bologna? Second problem, to what extent can the sale and purchase agreement be implemented in Bologna? From the above, it encourages entirely legal experts, namely the post-Glossatos group, to seek fairer and reasonable and scientific legal principles in solving legal issue. Okay, next slide. The idea of Acrisius 12 and 28. Okay. On the basis of the statute, if a person who files from a particular city in Italy is issued in another city, then he can be prosecuted under the laws of that other city, for he is not the subject of the law of that other city. Second, the idea of Aquarius attracted attention by Bartolus de Sassoforeto 13 and 15 until 13 and 57. As the originator of the statute theory and was dubbed the father of HPI. Next, Bartolus initiated the statute theory, which is considered to be the first theory approaching legal issue of dispute medically and systematically. Okay, the statute of a city can be classified into three groups. First group is statua personalia, second group statua realia, third group statua mixta. Okay, next slide. Connecting factor in private international law. Okay, this is a connecting factor. Number one, lexitus, the law under which the property is located. Number two, the fori, the fori is the law under which is sold apply. Number three, the cause is the law under which the venue is held. Number four, the luci actus, placed at the time of making a transaction. Number five, lex loci contractus is where the agreement was implemented. Number six, renvoi. Renvoi is moving the case to where lexitus is located. Number 7, lex loci delicti commessi is the place where the loss occurred. Number 8, the loci damnii. Okay, loci damnii is the law by which the accidents occur. Number 9, the loci solutions is the place where the deal was done. Number 10, lex loci arbitri is the where to do arbitrage. Number 11, jurisdiction of forum. is determine which courts to decide their issue. Number 12, encroachment of foreign judgment is jurisdiction from different country. Number 13, forum non-convenient. Forums that are not suitable for rainfall for fear of not being strong enough to carry out its law. And the last, forum shopping. Okay. Forum shopping, the selection of the law where it is most favorable for the plaintiff and facilitates the judicial side. Okay guys, next slide. Case example. Nice. By action figure. This is my case example. Okay. Rian wants to buy the Gundam RX-76 action figures in Japan. Incidentally, Sido's friends want to sell his figure to Rian because the action figures action figures is Lakeside is Sido in Sido's house. So Rian bought it online, Lexhouse, and immediately contract Sido by telephone is Lex Losiatus. And then after a long conversation by telephone and negotiation, the price of these figures finally it was decided that the price was to 2000 yen, or if it was converted into 30 and 50,000 rupiah, Lex Losi solution. After determining the price, Sido wants to include this action figure in the sales package on Alibaba Express. When the package arrived at Rian's house, it turned out that there was a part of the figure that was damaged, is Lex Losi Domini. As a result, Rian didn't want this figure because he felt a loss when the package arrived at Batam, is Lex Losi Delicti, and want to return it to the seller's name Sido via regulations that apply in Alibaba Express, is Lex 40. Okay, next slide. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you to the next video. Goodbye.